Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create these cute cherry fruit nails. Just going to take your white magic and cure, followed by matte top coat and cure again for 60 seconds. Then taking your pure red detail paint, we're going to use a dotting tool to create our cherries wherever you want to place them. Cure those in the lamp for 60 seconds and then take your red chrome powder and an applicator and just chrome up those little cherries to make them nice and shiny. Buff with a lint-free wipe. Then taking your pure green detail paint and a D4 detailer brush, just create the stalks coming out of the cherries, whichever direction you have put them. Cure that in the lamp. And then using your pure white detail paint, I just like to add a little highlight on each cherry just to make it nice and juicy looking. Then just going to add a generous layer of our original top coat and cure, and that's the design complete. As you can see, you can create these on any colour that you wish. Let me know how you get on.